Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and I've been unboxing a lot of dolls lately. I am blessed and happy because of it. This is a replacement doll for this body, and the girl that came off that body, I had an idea for, and it never got done, and so this is going to be for that. What I want to do is take her out, check her out, clean her up, and go from there. A lot of packaging, but all right,
big box for a big doll.
My receipt. Yeah, it is a big doll. It is a big doll. Oh, isn't that cute? Tied it off. That's really cute. Let's untie her. I thought she had a shirt. I thought she came with the shirt. I might have to double check that because I wanted that shirt. Look at this hair. It is so beautiful. Just beautiful, but we're going to do something different here. Let me check this box. I always double check. You never know.
Especially if you're looking for a shirt still.
Well, yeah, that too. Yep. Okay, I think we're done there. So let's put this on the floor. Wait a minute. Oh, sorry. Hit the cameraman on the way. And stand her up in this stand, Darren. I'm going to need more stands.
Always.
And I've got a different name for you to put on this one. She's a little loose on this leg, but not bad. Not bad. She's okay. Isn't that cute? There still has her little bracelet. I love these skirts. They are so well made. The button actually works. I can't get over that. Rainbow High and Shadow High dolls, their clothing is usually worth the price of the doll. I'll just say it. It really is. Okay. You stand here a minute and put your arms down.
Yeah, looks like that. The hook needs to come down, or she needs to be on shoes or something.
Yeah, both. All right, let me, that's not going to work. I don't have the grip to do it. So you stand right there. Don't knock anybody down. At my house, it's a rule. You can't knock anybody down. If you fall, just don't fall. So I have another box to open.
Oh, it's a double doll unboxing?
It is a double doll unboxing because, well, I've got a lot of dolls coming in. Everyone has a purpose, believe it or not.
They make Marna happy.
Yeah, there you go. I need to be careful. I've been getting injured a lot from stupidity. And look at that. Oh, my fingernails are gone. But I am having fun doing all kinds of crafty stuff and animal stuff and just having fun. All right, there we go. So I have another big doll. Here's the shirt. Okay, here's the shirt. Is her head funny? No. So one of these dolls, one of these dolls is going to do the DIY. Let me double check the bag. Oh, she sent a little extra. See, I almost threw that away. Looks like little hair ties. That's cute. Kind of nice of her. And that's all in this box. Let me give it a toss without knocking my poor husband. Check joints. One of these dolls is going to be used for the DIY Dolls Gone Goth on the 16th, and we'd love it if you joined us. And of course, you'll always see these on, and when I say us, join us, it's Dory's Dollies and Dolls Rescued. We offer that each month. We also offer Amaya Raine Day. I've been using these dolls frequently for the Dolls Gone Goth, or Amaya Raine. So I have some ideas for these girls. I hope you come back to the channel and see what I do. And I really hope that you will subscribe, leave a like, and a comment. Can you believe I have this many of these? I have a empty box upstairs that my original came out of. And that's where I was storing clothes that I made and such. And they need a tub. They need a tub. So there you go. There they are. Thank you for watching.